This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. It's so fun to be here with you in these online lessons. In this video, we're going to take a look at another strumming pattern that works well for 4/4 time. Super fun one to be doing here in this video. After I've gone over the strumming pattern, of course, we'll jam together on a chord progression with bass and drums accompaniment. So we'll just put it right to practice. It's going to be great. This video accompanies lesson 14 from my Chords and Harmony Books 1 and 2 method book. In the book, we'll be using materials from page 93 and 94. This is strumming pattern number 20 there on page 93, which is part of the review and further study. So this is a further study because we haven't learned this strumming pattern before. And then we'll be playing chord progression number 14 over on page 94. Alright, so let's take a look at this one. We've done some of these before. We've got the slap mute. Right where we've got that rest, we're going to just slap those strings. So 1 and 3, 4 and is the rhythm of the strumming, but we'll insert that slap right on beat 2. So down, up, slap, up, down, up, slap, up, down, up. We're going to be playing with the key in the key of C, but we're going to be playing with the C chord a lot as we're jamming together. So I'll go ahead and demonstrate that with C. You can play along if you want to. You'd have 1, 2, ready, and down, up, slap, up, down, up, 1 and 2 and 3. Faster, 1, 2, ready, and so that's how that works. We're also going to be playing the F and G7 chords, so you can practice it with those if you want to as well. But here in the video, we're just going to go ahead and jam together on this chord progression, putting this into practice. So as I mentioned, we're going to do number 14 on page 94. We'll insert this once per measure. We're going to do it at 2 different tempos. First a slower tempo and then a faster tempo. So let's go ahead and jam together. Alright, fantastic. As we continue, of course, we're going to work on some more of the strumming patterns that are on page 93 in the Chords and Harmony book. Strumming patterns that we haven't done before, so part of that further study. Going to be super fun. Take care, and I'll see you again.
Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at kristenbromley.com. Take care.